Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're gonna be hopefully taking care of that guy right there. So hey guys, what's up? So yes, we are finally getting that dent taken care of. It's only been on the vehicle now for freaking 2 months or so, but I just haven't found the time or the will to want to just pay for a dent. I mean, yeah, it bothers me, but it's not like, man, this place is always packed for breakfast. Oh, it's insane. But I just haven't found the will or the want to just spend the money to get it taken care of. But a friend told me that his friend was going to be taking care of their vehicles this morning. He does painless dent repair, so 2 of them, they're getting their 4Runners done. And I was like, man, that'd be sweet if you could squeeze me in, basically, and he can. So we're gonna finally get it taken care of. Last night I was trying to take the back pillar off out back there, just to see if it was gonna be easier for him, and I couldn't find the easiest way to take it off. My garage lighting absolutely sucks, and I just need to get better lighting in there, so I wasn't gonna damage the headliner or anything by trying to just rip that off. So if he actually needs it off, then we'll take it off when we get there. Alright guys, so we got the dent out. Came out really perfect. I'll show you guys when I get home. Johnny, that dude, worked his magic basically. We were thankful, you know, like I said, that it wasn't at the crease of the window basically, and but yeah, so he was able to get it out. Super great guy. So if you guys are in the panhandle or whatever of Florida, especially Fort Walton, Destin area, Pensacola, anything like that, and if you need dentless repair done, definitely like DM me or hit me up or something, and I'll let you guys know his contact info. So highly recommend him. But now he's super cool, and we're just, you know, hitting up a little trails for the next 35-40 minutes or so. So I'll catch you guys back at the house. Okay guys, so I'm back home now, and it is pretty much gone. So really only I can kind of tell where it was, and I really have to look hard, but Johnny did an amazing job. I mean, you can't even tell that it was there. Just absolutely perfect. I could not be happier. So again, if any of you guys are in the panhandle area and if you need something like this done, I'm sure he wouldn't mind the business. So that's the driver's side. You can't even tell at all, like I said. Like the passenger side, looks the exact same. So we actually had to take this off so he could get in through the back right there to basically pop it out. But other than that, but it probably only took him about 45 minutes of actual work, and he just works magic. So I'm very thankful that my buddy led me to him, because he did amazing work. So the dent's officially gone. So yeah guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See you later.